Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about something which is so awesome. Well, this is what? This is an amazing kind of bad boy. This is a nostalgic kind of game. It's a Game Boy Color, but this is not the one which we're used to, but this one, it's like I can call it the copy out of it, but more enhanced and more upgraded than the original one. So for further ado, let's get started. And hold up, I got something for you. You remember what's happening? You remember we talked about this kind of Sega Genesis? I don't know why I call it Genesis. It's Sega Mega Drive. Do you guys remember this kind of Sega Mega Drive? It's really kind of awesome, right? If you didn't check it out, click this card here up. It will take you definitely to that video. You can enjoy that kind of great and amazing kind of nostalgic throughout back in the days throughout Sega. And we're gonna just put more games on the go soon, so some of you guys can see those kind of games. That's what's up, guys. Here we have it. This is our G-Boy, and it's really kind of well packed, as some of you guys can see. That it's really kind of impressive. Some of you guys can see at the back here, it's 56 colors is mixed to 32,000 colors. The new style, construction and economy power technology, supports multi-person games, more colors for choice, new front light screen, much more better. And another kind of stuff, I think this kind of bad boy is packed with some games. You can see here 66 in one, which is really incredible. And let us just unbox it more throughout into this kind of nostalgic games. I don't know the color of choice. What's the color of choice? Let's see. Whoa, is there anything else? Paperwork, nothing else here. So let's see the paperwork first before we get started throughout our game and see how much our handheld it is. Chinese on this side, it's fully Chinese. There's few in English, there's none in English. Everything is Chinese here, so just beware that the paperwork is Chinese from this kind of GB boy. It's called GB boy. Here we have it. This is our kind of nostalgic Game Boy, to be honest, and I'm really kind of ooh, damn, look at that buttons, man. Look at that start and select. Check out the way it is. Check out at the back. It's actually like a Game Boy Color. Everything, you can see how much they kept that kind of headphone port and DC volt, 3 volts I think, and another kind of stuff, the external cable. I think it looks like HDMI but mini version out of it. And this is like a power volume broker, same as back in the days, but it doesn't look that much authentic, but it's just almost there. So let us just power it on. I got my batteries here with me and see what's up, because I'm just pumped. And let's return this. Let's turn it on. Whoa, you can see that red light there. Let's see what's happening here. It's loading. Is it loading? Are you loading? I really feel sad about this kind of Game Boy Color because it's just not turning it on. It doesn't do anything. It's just stuck at the red light, and the screen, it doesn't do anything. It's just blank. And I bought it at AliExpress. I thought that this is some legitimate stuff, but I crossed my fingers because I bought it around, I think, last year on December, and I got it right now. It's on May, and it's really kind of embarrassing the way shipments it is right now, and the way the item just stays somewhere hanging up to they get problems, and finally you're getting your item and it's not legitimate working perfectly. It's a really kind of disappointment because I was really kind of pumped waiting for my item, but right now my item has a problem, and I cannot tell anybody that this item has a problem throughout seller on the AliExpress side, because I know even if I was contact him or her, she was or he was not replying to any kind of my text. I felt very bad. You feel me? If you have ordered anything online and the seller does not respond, it's very embarrassing. I was thinking, what's wrong with this kind of seller? But at the end of the day, it's all about our parcels and our packages. Just know that if you order anything on AliExpress, just know that if it takes a while, your item might be damaged or not that much legitimate as how you first ordered it, so it might be getting a problem along the way. Yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on that kind of an amazing unboxing of the G-Boy or the Game Boy clone, and it's really kind of impressive because the way it just captured me throughout nostalgic. It's the way the colors, they are vibrant throughout Game Boys, and this one captured me because if you want to find an original Game Boy, it's a little bit hard, but I think that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing unboxing. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, peace.